Learn how to cut arrow and buba.
So when you get the fabric, you remove your wrapper first, which is 2.5 yards for plus size people. Person, the owner of this is a plus size, so I have removed the wrapper, which is 2.5 yards. So after that, you remove whatever the length of the buba is. It depends. Some use 25, some use 26, even we even have those that will use 27, depending on how tall the person is. So this person, her own is 25. Her own is 25. So you measure 25 in two places. So I measure 25. So it's 25. But I'll be adding the folding allowance, which is 1 inch. That is 26. I'll have to add 1 more inches because after folding, you might discover that the edges are not equal, so you have to trim. You have to trim them to be equal. So that is right. So you measure. This is the actual length of the person, 25 plus 2. Then you measure it twice. You measure that 27 twice. So this is it twice. I've measured it twice now. So after measuring it twice, that serves for the front and the back. So you fold into 2. Then after folding, you place on your table, you fold the way I'm doing. Just watch carefully, you will get it. So you now measure the body, for you to be able to get the actual buba body of the person. In case initially before we used to tell them bring your buba, but not everybody have buba at home that they can bring for you to replicate. So you just, their initial bust, you have to add 6 inches to their initial bust. That is how I do. I do have 6 inches to their initial bust. The person that have this is using bust 46. So I'm adding 6 inches to that 46, which is our initial bust. So that will give me 52. So I'm working with 52 inches here. 52 inches, which is 26. 52 divided by 2, 26 divided by 2 again, which is 13. So that's 13. So this is 13. Then you mark your 13. This is 13 inches. You mark your 13 inches. After marking your 13 inches, you add your 1 inch sewing allowance. You had 1 inch sewing allowance, so that will give you 14. So that will give us 14. So now this is 14. So in some cases, some people want to use this self edge for the edge of one side of the wrapper. You can attach it to it. So that will be the part that will be the part that will be outside. So this is my 14 inches. So you measure 14 all the way down. Measure 14 all the way down. So you mark it out. You roll it out. So let all the lines together. So this is it. Start connecting the lines. Start connecting the lines together. Remember, you add 6 inches to the actual bust of the person, because the bust is the fullest part of the blouse. So you add your 6 inches to it before dividing it into 4 and cutting out. So after that, the next part now is you measure the neck part, this is the neck part. So the neck part, depending on how deep, because people are stylish with buba now. She wants an oleku for her buba. So the neck should be the regular neck. So the neck, I'll be going with 4.5 by 5 inch. 4.5 by 5. So you cut out. People are really stylish with buba now. So you cut that. So that's the neck. And if you feel the neck is not deep enough, you can extend it or wider. So I added 1 inch to the 1 inch for trimming allowance. Then so this is it now. So our buba is 25 and we have 27 here. So folding allowance is 1 inch. So this is it. And voila, we have our buba. It's just for us to cut out now. So it's left for us to cut out. So now cut out. Cut it out. So we can make it of the same page. So at the head of the wrapper, or you can decide to just scratch it. We can attach to the gear that way. So this is it. Then I cut out the neck. So and this is it. So this is our buba. Our buba is done. This is it. Then not different. Then here we mark this place. We come up by 5 inches, depending 5 for anyone you like. If you feel 5 is too much, you can make yours 4. So the sleeve, if you don't have the measurement of the sleeve measurement of that person, I mean the sleeve for the buba, and if you just have the regular, the person's normal sleeve, I don't know how to put it, the person's actual sleeve, which is for a fitted sleeve, then you just take the biggest part of the sleeve, the round sleeve. This person's round sleeve is 17, so I'm going to add 6 inches to it to make it 23. This is 23. So this is 23. Then 1 inch, depending on how big the person wants it. Out of this 23, I'll hold 1 inch. So I don't want this one to be fitted because it is oleku. So what I want to do is just play around with the round sleeve. My own is just that. You can have 6 inches depending on I don't know how big the person will want it. Then the sleeve, how to get the sleeve length, the length of it. Now I don't have this person's buba, but what to do is just that. What is a normal shoulder? A normal shoulder is 16. So 16 is 8, which is 8 here. So 8, let's say what is left here. So we have 6 inches here. So that 6 inches, you will, what is that person's? That 6 inches, whatever you want the sleeve of this buba to get to. Now, so this is oleku and it has to be short sleeve. So now 6 inches. So I would like to make our own sleeve 15. So making it 15 now, you now remove 6 inches, the remaining 6 inches you got from the buba that is left on the buba shoulder. So you remove the 6 inches, then 15. So this is 15. So 6 inches, remove the 6 inches. So this is the sleeve for the buba. I hope you get it. So you had your extra 1 inch allowance there. So that will give you, this is 9. So with 1, it will give you 10. So that is our measurement for our sleeve. I hope you understand. Just remove the actual shoulder measurement on the buba. The remaining length, you subtract it from the length of the sleeve to give you the sleeve of the buba. So that's okay. My explanation is okay. So you cut it out and well. So now we have, this is our buba. This is our buba now. See.